So, my little Greene yoga instructors, this course is to help you get back on track and to get you out there teaching. You invested so much in your little Greene yoga course. You qualified, and believe me, this is one of the most extensive courses out there, and we actually examine everybody before you get a qualification. So, you're good enough to teach. What's stopping you? I know what's stopping you. A lot of it times it's fear. There's so many obstacles we put in our way. This mini course is to help you get back on track, and it's based on the one-to-one business coaching that I do. Now, the one-to-one business coaching actually has a lot of follow-up calls, but what we're going to do on this course is you will go through the same questionnaire that I would use to start our discussion if you were doing a one-to-one with me. I will then choose two of the students on the course to go through their sheets with them, but not just with them, to go through it with all of you. You will be sitting with your sheets at the same time and you'll be taking notes, all right? So everybody's going to learn something along with this. Now what you'll get additionally is you will have a little, very small spreadsheet, but it actually motivates you quite incredibly. You put your figures in, you predict what you could earn just with one or two classes. And before you know it, you start adding in extra classes thinking, oh my goodness, look, I could work part-time or I could give up work. Okay, so really that's what we did it for anyway, the business side, for most of us. Okay, you'll also get a PDF version of a poster, nice poster talking about the benefits of yoga with age-appropriate children doing yoga to catch their attention that you can put up anywhere. Spreadsheet, as I said, and now there's something else, and that's completely gone out of my head about what it is. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to look. Spreadsheet, let me just get that to you. Goodness gracious, this is what happens, isn't it? You get too excited. The best bit, the template letter for schools. So obviously for the age bracket that you're qualified in, and it will talk about what you can, benefits of what you can do in schools, so just with your badge letterhead as well for you to send out. And I realised that what stops us is actually it just seems overwhelming at times, that there's so much for us to do. So this is a way of getting you back on track to get you out there. All right, enjoy.